Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite new in-home beauty treatment. You guys know I'm the queen of in-home beauty treatments. I do my own sunless tanning, I do my own nails, I don't do my own hair, but I do a lot of in-home hair treatments, facials, all of it. I'm obsessed with beauty treatments, but specifically, I like in-home treatments. A, it's really fun to learn new things. B, it's a lot less expensive. that's the real part. And C, I'm lazy. I don't want to leave my house all the time. Even though I work from home and I have flexibility, I just don't like that. It like makes me have to like replan and rethink my whole day. So I love the fact that beauty treatments are becoming more and more common to do in your home, and you can find really amazing devices to help you get it done that are quick, that are mess-free and easy, because that's another thing. I cannot do a beauty treatment that is more work and more time and more hassle. I don't have time for that. I'm a mom. So that leads me to the sponsor of today's video, which is Kenzzi. This is their new Ice IPL laser in-home hair removal device. I'm obsessed. They have generously provided a coupon code for you guys, so you can use the code Kelly to save $50 off of your device. It is originally $299, making it only $249, which is literally amazing. I'm gonna go through all the benefits, why I started using it, my results, and I'm also gonna do a demo. The other amazing thing about this is it lasts up to 10 years. So once you make that initial investment, which is still not even a third of the price of like salon treatment hair removal systems, not to mention all the time you have to do, but it's so much more affordable, but you have it in your home for 10 years, which is amazing. They say it has enough light in it to last you up to 10 years. So once you get those desired results, you just can maintain it at your home to have hairless, whatever part of the body you don't want hair on, for the rest of 10 years, which is amazing. So why I decided to try in-home laser hair removal, or laser hair removal in general, I know for me, I saw so many people talking about it, and I even looked into salons in Dallas. Well, when I first originally started, I was looking in salons in California and then in Dallas. I didn't even look in Chicago, to be honest with you. I had just given up that the prices are just continuing to raise. Don't we love inflation? So then when I started seeing people talk about doing in-home laser hair removal, I was intrigued, but I was also a little overwhelmed. Like, am I gonna hurt myself? Am I gonna burn myself? Am I gonna, I don't know. All of it just felt a little like, where do I start? Is this going to be like, I don't know, how is this gonna go? So I wanted to make this video so that in case you were curious about that as well, or just like a little overwhelmed, intimidated by the process, like, is this gonna work? Is it hard? Does it hurt? I'm gonna go through all of that. I'm also gonna be talking about why I decided specifically that the Kenzzi IPL Ice is the handset that I wanted to do for my in-home laser hair removal. So when I started thinking about doing laser hair removal, I looked up different prices, different salons, all of it, because I was like, let me see, I wanna know what it's like. I want to know what I'm gonna get myself into. And besides the price, I couldn't. But when I was originally looking at it, I had a full-time job, and I was like, how am I gonna commit to a freestanding appointment every week to get this process done? It was just a lot. And I mean, now I have a much more flexible schedule, but I still don't like, I don't always want to leave my house. And not even that, I don't always just want to like go into someone's office and strip down all my clothes for them to just like, you know, it can be a little uncomfortable, a little intimidating, which is why I am obsessed with this device that I can do in home, and I can watch TV while I'm doing it, because I've shaven, I've waxed, I've naired. Do they even make nair? I really hope they don't make nair anymore, because I can't imagine what that does to your body. And I've even used those, they're not like the pet egg, but they're like one of those things that looks like that with the file on it, and you like, I don't know how that was good for you. It most definitely wasn't. Again, I don't think they're around anymore for good reason. So my personal routine is I turn on 90 Day Fiancé. I'm obsessed with TLC, pretty much anything that TLC does. But 90 Day Fiancé, that franchise, is my go-to. Sunday is my laser hair removal day. The cord that it comes with is pretty long, but I just grab a really long extension cord and I sit in my bed and I just go. The glide function on this thing, I can't wait to share with you when I show you the demo, because you don't even have to think about it. You can watch TV and just slide and go. I also didn't know that you only have to do this once a week. I thought you had to do it like every single day. And again, to me, that was like, cool, but like I don't even shave every single day. So you can expect to see results within that 3 to 4 week window with like your optimal results at 12 weeks. It's like anything, like when I'm using lash serum or hair growth, whatever, it takes time to either grow hair or get rid of it, whatever your choice is. And that is why using this right now during this season is gonna be the best bet. You wanna make sure that you're using this device on fully exfoliated and like your most natural skin tone. So I don't know about you, but I'm a sunless tanner girl. And I've really cut back on my like in the sun tanning, but you're gonna see those maximum results when you're using your actual natural skin tone. It's gonna be able to see the hair better, and you wanna make sure that your skin is freshly shaven and exfoliated, so that way the hair follicle is like right up at the top and it can zap it off the best, and you don't have any like clogged skin pores and all that. So within those 3 to 4 weeks, you'll already start seeing results. You'll see hair starting to grow back slower, thinner, like in like patchier, not like full growth. So then when you do hit that 12-week mark, or maybe you see results faster, depends on people's skin tones, all of that. People's hair is completely different to where you're gonna see full results, but that 12-week mark is a general where you're gonna be happy with your results. Then you just have to worry about maintaining it. So you can use it less, but you just wanna make sure that you're still continuing to incorporate it in your routine and just continue to maintain that hairless look, but still you're not gonna have to shave. Like, I mean, let's be real, I shave maybe once a week, but still, you're not gonna have to waste time in the shower, water in the shower. Ooh, I didn't even think about that. Look at us being eco-friendly. So now for the good part, let's go ahead and actually demo this so you can see up close and personal how it feels. You can see my face where I tell you that it doesn't even hurt. It's amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and let's go ahead and get into the demo. So as you can see, I have this guy plugged in. I actually like that it's a plug-in and not a battery that you have to charge, so I don't have to remember, did I charge it, or I can't do it this week because I have to wait for it to charge, or so on and so forth. I like that I can just plug it in and go. So I go ahead and power it on. You just wanna hold this button. You'll hear it power up. It has a fan in the back, so it can obviously keep the device cool. And then the biggest thing about this guy, which is like my #1 reason why I was scared to use laser hair removal to begin with, is that it has this ice plate that keeps the area cold, so you don't feel any burning sensation when you're doing it, which for me, I was scared. I was like, am I gonna burn my legs off? Is this burning and singeing my hair off? But this cool plate keeps it nice and cool, and it's a much more comfortable experience. So you've got the power button, which I just powered on, and then you've got this gold button here. The power button, once you have it turned on, you just hit this and you can see it will show you the intensity level. Now, when you get your device, it comes with a little packet guide to tell you which level you should have it on depending on your skin tone. And then you just kind of play. It's trial and error to see what is going to give you the best results. Some people can use it on a very low setting and they just have easy to remove hair, and some people have to bump it up. But I like that this device actually kind of like grows with that. It's not like you have to buy this device to start with and then you have to buy the next device to, you know, see your full results. You can go ahead and this has up to 5 settings. I'm still on setting #1, but you can see it grows all the way up to 5 level intensity. So the best part about it, my favorite part, is the glide function. So what I mean by that is you hold the big gold button for about 5 seconds until you see those 3 little semicircles, and this is going to give you a continuous glide on your legs, so you don't have to keep pressing this button a million times. I also love the shape of this device. It's really easy to hold in your hand and glide. So let's go ahead, zoom down. I'm wearing some weird shorts, but you're just gonna have to, for the purpose of this video, I wanted to get up close and personal and wear some shorts that I could hike up a little bit. So let's go ahead and demo this guy. All right, so excuse my attire, business on top, party on the bottom. It's fine, I just wanted to be able to show you how I use this device. Obviously, I'm not wearing shorts when I actually do, but you can, I guess, you do you. So anyways, we have it on the glide function, so it's as simple as this. Again, clean shaven skin, nice and exfoliated. You just press it on the leg. And it goes. So it flashes as it goes, and you just do small little segments. You can go over each area 3 times. So that's typically what I do. I go through the same so I don't forget which area I've already gone over. And this is cleared to be able to use without glasses, but if you'd like to use glasses, feel free. But as you can tell, not painful at all, because I'm a wimp, like very low pain tolerance, and I was nervous. And again, it stays nice and cool because of that plate. So I just go ahead and do my whole leg. So simple, so easy. Can you understand why you literally can just watch TV and go ahead and process through this? Quick and easy. Once a week is all you need to do. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you'll see those results. And then by 12, you're gonna be hair-free, girl. So you can clearly see why this is my favorite activity to do while I'm watching TV. It's mindless and it's easy, and you just, you know, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. The other thing is, I'm showing you this on my leg, but you can use this any area that you would like to remove hair from the upper lip down. So if you're someone who has been thinking about investing in laser hair removal and have just not bit the bullet because of price, inconvenience of having to leave your house, this is going to be a game changer for you. I'm somebody who, I love beauty treatments, but I also just like don't love to spend an arm and a leg, and I don't love a commitment that makes me have to leave my house all the time. Sometimes I like to just be able to get it done quick, easy, and home. Like I said, again, has to be mess free, it has to be easy, or I'm not going to do it. And that is why Kenzzi checks all of those boxes and makes hair removal so much more affordable and so much more like practical. Because again, at the end of the day, like if you dread doing something, you're not gonna do it. But this is a habit that's easy to get behind because it's quick, easy, does not create any mess, it's less messy than shaving in the shower, and I think less time consuming because I'm able to watch a show while I'm doing this, or whatever. Let's say maybe you're more educational. You can't really I guess you could listen to an audiobook while you're hair removing. Whatever your choice to do while you're doing this, you can multitask, which I am the queen of multitasks. So if you've been curious at all to try in-home laser hair removal, I really, really recommend this one, especially with the ice plate on top. You experience zero like heat or discomfort. And then don't forget to take advantage of the fact that there is a $50 off coupon, making this device only $249. It still like blows my mind that they're able to offer this device in-home for that price, and the results you're going to see within 12 weeks, you're gonna see those full results. And I love that you don't have to like let your hair grow out to be able to do this. It actually works the best on freshly shaven skin. You're already gonna notice that you're gonna have to shave less every single week once that 3-week hits, and you're already gonna reap the benefits of this, guy. So I love that I don't have to walk around with hairy legs to then be able to shave them, or to be able to wax them, or whatever, sugar them, all the random things that you can do to your body. But now you can do it in home. Again, I don't have to go to an appointment. I don't have to strip down and show everyone my intimate bits. I can do it all at home, in the comfort of my home, while watching 90 Day Fiancé. So again, don't forget to use that coupon code Kelly for $50 off of your Kenzzi Ice IPL at home handset. I swear, you're going to love it. They guarantee results. If you've been on the fence at all, highly recommend. I hope this video helped in showing you that laser hair removal is at home with the Kenzzi is easy, it's painless. Like I said, I was shocked. So I had to see for myself, and that's why when I started using this guy, I had to talk to you guys about it and let you guys know that it is really worth it. This beauty gadget will change your life and change the shaving game for the rest of your life, I promise. I swear, you're not gonna regret this. And if you guys are curious to continue to see my results, my journey with the Kenzzi, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. If you've already tried the Kenzzi, let me know. What were your results? How long did it take you to be completely hair-free? I'm super curious. I love you guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.